video number 2. 1, 2. Alright, from y'all who saw part 1, this may look like the same shirt, but it's not. This shirt is a Marine shirt. Marine. Sexy. Anyway, I'm about to bring out cookie video number 2, but first, before I do this, I got something to say to you guys. Y'all saw my first one. I'm working on being a master chef, master chef in training. So, I want you guys to watch my progression from being a fry cook. You guys saw some pretty new moves in there. Y'all saw the pepper grinder. Y'all saw the reach around the back swag. I might teach y'all a couple of new moves. Y'all might see y'all might see something new. I mean, I did get the oven. These moves of mine, they are patented. You are not allowed to use these moves. These are the Patchz moves. The Patchz chef moves. I rent them. You aren't allowed to use them, so So let me go ahead. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys, I'm cheap. I don't download Lil V. I would, but parental control. But my goal, 300 million views. 30 million views, nigga. 30 million. Boom, boom, boom. 100,000. Alright, so let me go ahead and let's do this to some steak knife. Yeah, that's gonna be my shit right now. Let me go ahead and get this turned up for y'all. Remember, this is y'all boy, Patchz. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I might just chop this into 2 different videos. Yeah. This is part 1. No, you're gonna watch this all the way through. One video. Let me go ahead and get that steak knife chef. Let me feel that beat real quick. Of course, my YouTube is acting slow. I have a slow computer. See, look at this. What is this? This is not based at all. So this is not based at all. My computer, go check Facebook real quick. Yeah, you guys, wait a second. Checking Facebook. Oh yeah, hit me up on Facebook. I'll link right there. My link's right there. Hit it. Oh, I got a poke. Hit you with that poke back. Poke. Don't poke me and think you're gonna get away with that. Anyway. Alright. Now, you ready? Feel that beat. Straight west side, bitch, we cook like a chef. Cook my main bitch, swag to the 6 chef. Young face guy, make that whole chef. My dick cook. All my young niggas, bro, we cook like a chef. Cook my main bitch, she hot, shut it there, say. Cook my main bitch, swag to the 6 chef. Young face guy with the bitches on my dick cook. Bitch and master chef, swag, came up, swag. Young face guy, came hot, shot the bag. That pepper grinder, that slap chop. Slap chop. That's one of my stuff moves. Don't take that. Slap chop, that's mine. Slap chop. Oh, spritz it. That salt to it. Cooking like a bitch, higher than a bitch, put this else in the oven too. My main bitch, swag, Texas, all Texas and cooking, that's space right there. Swag, you know I'm so hot. Cook my main bitch, swag to the 6. Young face guy with them hoes on my dick, cooking like a chef, cooking night, But you're old.
Goddamn bass got swag to the 8, swag to the 10, swag to the 30. Young bass guy look clean, but I'm dirty. Young bass guy damn hard like he working.
Veggies.
Goddamn, I'm
Gotta have a
twerking.
full course
6
meal right
cell
here.
phone. Goddamn juice man, where the fuck you at? Shouts out to OJ the Juice man, shit that crack. Damn bass guy got 10 on my wrist. Goddamn bass got 10 on the bitch. 10 on my dick. Looking like the man. Goddamn bass got 2 can Sam. Swag like I suited. Goddamn my booty. Yeah.
Alright, well that's enough of that. That was a full course meal. I have to go to the bathroom now. Like it, subscribe, comment. New videos be coming out every couple days. Actually, I'll make another video right after this one. Let me upload this to Facebook real quick. No, YouTube. Turn off camera. This isn't based at all.